Wait until you see what this house is hiding. Not yet, just a little bit longer. Wait until we take a step outside and you see the insane entertainment space. But first, let's take a look at the expansive master bedroom and renovated master bath. Now check out this massive kitchen, and our next stop is outside, so stay tuned. What more could you ask for than this insane outdoor space? Equipped with a pizza oven too. And yes, there's even a pool. Not to mention the community pool and the trail behind the house to the stocked lake in the community. Thanks for watching.